Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day wherever you are.
We are here and we have some exciting news for your last 7 days of the summer.
Yes, a special contest.
Involving Granny on a stick.
Granny on a stick. And that's what it's called, Granny on a stick.
So, here's what you do. You print out a picture of Granny on a stick.
We'll put the link below.
And then you find a stick and you tape Granny onto the stick.
It's quite simple.
Because Granny is coming with us on the Big Yellow Boot Tour and she's very excited. We want you guys to take her places before the tour starts, and every day you can win tickets to the show.
The Big Yellow Boot Tour.
And then we're going to have a huge grand prize winner next Monday when all the people who have completed the most Granny challenges get a chance to win tickets and meet and greets and prize packages, all the things. You win all the things.
So we're going to put the link below this video of all the different activities you can do with Granny on the stick. Take a picture, post it on your social media, tag us,